Meaning of hoaxer.
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 Hoaxer. A hoaxer is someone who intentionally creates and spreads false information or a deceptive story with the aim of tricking people. The result of their actions can be widespread confusion, panic, and distrust. Hoaxers often use social media, websites, or even traditional media outlets to spread misinformation, which can have serious consequences. This can range from harmlessly misleading comments to causing real-world harm, such as the dissemination of dangerous conspiracy theories or inciting violence. In summary, hoaxers are deceitful individuals who deliberately create false stories to mislead others, often with negative consequences.